Welcome to the channel. Today let's have a quick look at Vulcan Energy. It had a good run last week, and if you were in ASX for a while, you know it was a very popular stock this time 2020, late 2020, early 2021. It made a good run. So as you can see, it has make it bigger so you can see this number. So from this low to this here, it went 65,000, sorry, 6,588. So 6,500% if you on this stock September, August, September 2020, and if you sold it in this highest point. I know we all can't what do you call, get the highest point correctly, but that's the gain you get. Then it had after this big run, then a pullback. Try to go up, pull back, going up, pull back. So I have a like a trend line here, so it is sort of respecting that trend line up to now. And I was watching this stock, I was expecting see this resistance, it met with this resistance. I was thinking it may come down. My expectation was it come down closer to this trend and go up this resistance like this, but for some reason I don't know what happened last week. What was the news? It has jumped and now gone up. Now what we have to see is what this stock will do next few weeks. So by looking at it, personally I don't think now is the time to enter this stock because it has run a good run last week and it is getting closer to this resistance level. If you are in this stock already, good luck, and you have to do a trailing stop loss to protect your profits. If you are not in this stock, let's have a look what are our options now. So I personally, since it has done a big run and getting close to this previous resistance level of $14.18, see I have created this box here. I expect there will be some resistance around 1464, 1418. There will be some resistance. So it will be interesting to see next few weeks to see how it plays out. If we are not in the stocks, that's what we are looking now. There will be few scenarios play out. So next week, let's say if it goes up this resistance, then there's a possibility it can come down, retest, and go to our price target. I put 20, that's the psychological level, it's $20. Or other scenario is it go up, then rejected in this resistance, come down. I don't know, it may come down all the way here to this trend, go up, something like this. I don't know whether it will come that far. It may reverse from somewhere here, who knows. That's another scenario. So at this stage, since it has done big jump last week on high volume, it is a wait and see sort of a game. It's mainly because it is coming close to this resistance. Sorry guys. So then what, as I showed you, these are the two scenarios I am watching next week and week after. If it jumps up close above this box, I would enter and trade with this stock, put a stop loss around here. Or if it gets rejected, then you have to wait and see when the reversal will happen. Then you can jump into this stock when the reversal happen. So I personally yeah, like I said before, if you are in this stock, that's good. You are done really good, especially last week. It may go up. It seems to have a lot of steam in this stock, the way it is, because it has a lot of. So if you see here, this bar, it closed here, like started the day week here, try to go up, but the sellers kicked in, pushed all the way down to close here. But this one open here, so, buyers pushed all the way here, sellers didn't have much chance, sort of, Let's have a look at the daily chart to see. Yeah, see, you can see the daily chart. See, this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it looks like still has a lot of steam in this stock. This is, see the volume, see this massive volume on Wednesday, then Friday another massive volume. So it seems to have the, what you call, steam to play out this scenario. So again, this is not financial advice. Just keep an eye, keep looking to see what it does next few days. Maybe by Monday, Tuesday, it may already go up this resistance and close above. So just keep an eye. If it close above this box, it will be a good trade, because that's the resistance it was met last time. After that, it's blue skies for this stock. You never know where this will go. Just keep an eye, watch, see where it goes next few days or next few weeks. Then make your move. Thanks. If you like my video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. That will help my channel a lot. Thanks.